Google Earth is a wonderful tool for educators. I'm going to show you how to use it in under 3 minutes. The first thing that you want to do when you use Google Earth is make sure you sign into it with your Google account, and that way you can save locations or save projects. Going down this left-hand side here, I'm going to show you Voyager first. There's tons of things that I could show you here, but just to let you know that everything here is pre-made and it's awesome. And I have clicked on the Games tab because there are lots of really cool quizzes that you can do with your students to test your knowledge and test their knowledge and go around, fly around the world and take a quiz, which is fun. This guy right here says, I'm feeling lucky. And if you roll the dice, Google Earth is going to take you, we're going to Switzerland. This icon right here lets you change the map style in any way that you like. You can get rid of the borders and labels if you like and make it really clean. There's another cool feature here where you can turn on the clouds and animate the weather, so that's pretty cool too. The Projects tab is where you can save and build projects. So those look like this, where you have certain places picked out that you want your students to visit. The Search tab is where you can type in any place in the world that you want to go. And let's go to North Carolina, to the Outer Banks right now. So we're going to fly to the Salvo Day Use area on the Outer Banks where we like to go kayaking. And there we are in 3D. These photo cards you can click on and click through. To close the cards, just click the X. And these tools over here, I do want to show you. So this 3D tool lets you turn that 3D view, that helicopter view, on and off. This guy right here is Pegman, and when you pick up Pegman and fly him over the map, you'll see everywhere where the Google car has driven, and that means you can drop Pegman down and see a 360 picture. I'm going to drop Pegman down on the beach. And that shadow right there is mine because this is a 360 picture that I took when we were winter kayaking. So I can use this tool right here to measure anything on the map. I just can start making points, and you can see it will tally up distances for me in meters, and I can save it here, copy it, or click the done to make that go away, and click that X. Finally, this button right here is going to fly us home, fly to your location. And if you let Google Maps know your location, it's going to zoom out and zoom over to the location where you are sitting. And this is pretty close to being accurate. Thank you for watching. Have a day filled with love, learning, and travel. And if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.